Woman get 3 passports using different names. So guys, this is a very interesting story. A Clarendon woman applied for 3 passports, 3 Jamaican passports in a 3 different names. And then catch her. So she was fined $330,000 in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The woman, Dorothy Ellis, she pleaded guilty to the 3 count of making a false declaration and obtaining passport by forged documents. After being arrested, Miss Ellis expressed regret for committing the offense and begged for leniency from the judge. She said, "To be honest to you, ma'am, Your Honor, you know what happened? Everybody want to go to America and look a better life. But, Your Honor, it never worked out for me. Your Honor, I am sorry 100 times. I am sorry. I am asking for some mercy from you, ma'am." The senior judge indicated that she would extend the mercy of not sending Ellis to prison, but would instead impose a fine. It was shared with the court that in February 2003, Miss Ellis applied for and got a passport in the name Idel Hernita McIntosh. Then in November that same year, she applied for another passport, this time with the name Rose Morrison. The court heard that Miss Ellis on another occasion applied for and get another passport in the name Rose Jacqueline Lewin. You know, the judge, they kind of confused. She said, "You know, I don't understand. Everybody wants the opportunity, but when you do something like this, it make it hard for some people get a visa." On each occasion of making these false submission, Miss Ellis was fined $50,000 or she should serve 6 months in prison. While for each count of getting the passport by forged document, she was fined $60,000 or spend 9 months in a prison. Ellis was given a month to pay the money with short. Why? So she says she want to go America for better life. So the 3 passport them where she get, she still not get no visa. And now she end up having to pay $330,000 to the court. Or she a go to prison. Boy, it's sticky out there. The struggle is real. But if you do the crime, you have to serve the time or you pay the fine. And at that I reach Miss Ellis, you know. My mama, God go with you. So guys, once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.